Pagbansang Kamao, our awardee for Outstanding Senator, the Honorable Emmanuel Manny D. Pacquiao, Senator, 17th Congress, PSD.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of his clientele. Given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys on August 12 to 17, 2024 at the Philippine International Convention Center, PICC, given this day of August in Pasay City, Philippines. Signed by Dr. Conchita Villanueva Acosta, DSP, Chief Public Attorney.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Unang-una, nais kong pasalamatan ang ating Panginoon sa magandang panahon na binigay sa atin at higit sa lahat, yung malusog na pangatawan na binigay sa atin at iligtas na sa kapahamakan. To Dr. Presida Ruida Acosta, DSD, Deputy Chief Public Attorney Annalisa Soriano, Deputy Chief Public Attorney Erwin Erpi, all public attorneys, senior and key officials of PAO, and all PAO lawyers nationwide. Ang sabi ko, nationwide. Parang mahina yata. Very good. Thank you. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Salamat po. Huwag po kayo mahiya. Tayo-tayo lang nandito. First of all, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Public Attorney's Office for this recognition. Napakahalaga sa akin na recognition na ito. This award is not just a personal achievement, but a reminder of the responsibilities that come with the privilege of serving our country and our people. When I think about the word champion, many people associate it with titles, medals, or victories in the ring. But being a champion is more than just about winning. Being a champion is about fighting for what is right, for what is just, and for those who cannot fight for themselves. Alam niyo po, bilang isang boksingero, sanay tayo sa laban. Pero ang laban ng buhay, lalo na